Welcome to my Sitecode Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in Sitecore and .NET. So this is the video from the Quick Tech Byte video series, the Happy Friday video series. And in this series, we try to answer few interview questions, few terminologies in .NET, Sitecore, and any language. Okay. So this is the video from that series. So who I am? I'm Jitendra Ghanekar. I'm in Sitecore Technology MVP 2024. I've given all my social media handles on the screen. If you have any question, you can reach to me. So what we are going to see today? Let's see the question. How would you implement dependency injection in a .NET application? Why is it important? We will try to answer these questions but before that, if you have not seen our video on the dependency injection, we have a detailed video on the dependency injection. You can have a look on that. I will give the link in the description and also on top I button. So let's try to answer this question. How will you implement dependency injection in a .NET application and why is it important? So dependency injection or a DI is a design pattern that helps us manage dependencies between different part of an application. So DI, that is your dependency injection. It is a type of a design pattern which will help you to manage the dependencies between different part of your application. Instead of having a class create their own dependencies, DI allows us to inject those dependencies from the outside, making our code more modular and easier to test. Now what it does, instead of creating your own object of a class, it allows you to inject whatever the dependencies on that class from the outside, and it makes your code modular and easy to test. Now there are 4 steps we have to implement, we have to do for this. The first is a define interface. So you have to define an interface. You have to create an interface for the service that different parts of the application will use. So like let's take an example of a logger. So you have to create a interface logger for the logger. So maybe iLogger you will create. I hope that you know what is interface. Okay, so you have to create an interface. It will just define your contract. Then the second stage is create the implementation. So implement these interface with concrete classes. Now once you create the interface, you have to create the concrete classes for those. The third is the register services. So register the interfaces and their implementation in the DI container. If you are using the .NET Core, or you have to do that in a startup.cs. Inject dependency. The fourth and last step is the inject dependencies. Inject the required interface into a classes via the constructor, allowing the DI container to provide the appropriate implementation automatically. So you have to inject the required interface into the class by using the constructor. Now how we can do this, all these 4 steps, I will suggest you to watch our videos. There are 2 videos I have done on the dependency injection with example. One is for the .NET and another is for the Sitecode. So you can watch the dependency injection. It will give you more clear idea. Okay. So why is it important? Okay. The first thing is once you implement the DI, you will have a loose coupling in the application. So it promotes the modularity by decoupling the classes from their dependencies. Your classes are decoupled from your dependencies. Second is the testability. So make it easy to inject mock dependencies, facilitating unit testing. So for unit testing, you can use the mocking of the dependencies, and that will help you to do a unit testing. Flexibility allows easy swapping of implementation without modifying dependent code. You can swap easily. There is more flexibility if you implement the DI. Maintainability, it simplifies the changes and extensions in the application architecture. Scalability, so manage complexity in a large application by cleanly separating the concerns. So scalability is also one of the important feature of the dependency injection. So what is DI? We have seen what is DI, okay, how to implement it, and what are the importance of it, what is the advantage of it. So it's just a short video, short walkthrough of this dependency injection to answer this question in the interview, maybe quick answer of this question. But if you, again I'm saying, if you want to see the details, please visit our YouTube channel. I will give the links also in the description and top I button. You can visit those videos, you can check out those videos, and you will can understand more detail the dependency injection. All right, so we are done. So if you like the video, please click on the like button, do share this with your friends and colleagues. Till now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to get a latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.